Hey guys, my name is Amar McGuire and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a blow dry routine, but with a twist because I'm going to be trying the Revair reverse blow dryer hair system. I've been wanting to try this thing out for as long as I can remember. I think it came out maybe a year or two ago if I'm not mistaken, and I've been wanting to buy it for so freaking long. Sorry, that's my computer making that noise. But yeah, this product used to retail for like $4.50, so I never bought it because it was like, that's so fucking expensive. So I finally saw that it was on sale recently and I got it for $2.50, which is still a lot. But with all the college refunds, unemployment, stimulus coming in, I was able to just spend $2.50 and still have a lot of money left over. So yeah, I just went ahead and spent it. And now I have the Revair. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got to these blow dry results with the Revair. I think I did this blow dry maybe 30 minutes to an hour ago. So it's a little bit more poofed out and frizzy than it was when I first did it. It was really smooth immediately after I used it. But my hair is just really moisturized right now, so it's poofing out a little bit, which is okay because it's still stretched. It did the job. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how I got these results with the Revair if you just continue to watch. So yeah guys, let's just move on to the tutorial part of this video.
So I'm starting off on section here that's already been freshly washed, deep conditioned, and moisturized. And then I'm just undoing the front side section. And I did a little bit of research on how to exactly use this Revair blow dryer just to see what state my hair should be in. And Revair has said that they would rather you use this product on wet hair, not damp, not dry, but making sure your hair is actually wet, because wet hair is more malleable and it allows for a better and more sufficient stretch. So I go ahead and wet my hair and then I start just blow drying the section, and then I realized that the section wasn't fully stretched and there was still a little bit of texture in there, so I just went ahead and brushed it out, and then I went ahead and re-suctioned my hair back into the little suction thingy, and once I did that, the section was fully stretched and blow dried out. So after I'm done with this first section, I just go ahead and twist it out of the way just to move on to the rest of my hair, and I repeat all of the things that I did to this section to the rest of them. So yeah, just keep on watching. So I'm finally done blow drying my hair with the Revair blow dryer. My hair feels very good, very soft, and it has a lot of movement, and it doesn't feel like it has got a lot of moisture. So yeah, um, I'm all done with that. So let's get to the end of this video.
Alright guys, we are back and these are my finished results. So let's get into the review of this Revair blow dryer. I think that it was a very cool experience to use something like this blow dryer. It sucks my hair in instead of me having to either do the two-hand method with my blow dryer and a paddle brush, or I have the Revlon blow dryer brush. If you guys want to see a review on that, let me know. But this made just blow drying my hair a lot easier, and it sped up the time. I think this only took me about 45 minutes, whereas it would usually take me about, honestly, maybe an hour and a half to blow dry my hair if I was using anything else, which I know is a long time, but I have a really big head, guys, and I have a lot of hair, so it usually takes me a long time to just do my hair in general, but this really sped up the process for me. Now I will say the little wand thing that you have to hold that sucks the hair in, it's kind of heavy, but luckily as a natural, I kind of have built up a lot of arm strength and stamina when it comes to just holding my arms above my shoulders to do my hair, so it wasn't that bad for me, but towards the end my arms were getting really tired, and yeah, I guess that's a negative. But another positive, it didn't break off my hair a lot. Usually when I'm blow drying my hair, I usually get not crazy breakage, but I definitely get breakage. But with this, I really didn't experience any breakage. While it was pulling my hair, it didn't pull it too much, and I even turned up the setting all the way to the highest suction point, which was not that bad. It just felt like a nice slight tug, but nothing crazy. But yeah, that was also a plus. Another negative is that there are, I'll just show you guys the Revair up close. So on the actual Revair, there is this thing on the generator, I guess I'll call it. There's 7 suction settings, if you guys can see that. I started off on about 4, and while I was doing the job, it really wasn't getting all of my flyaways. It was just sucking the length of my hair in, really, but where the roots and stuff, where I have a little bit of the new growth or breakage at my roots, it wasn't really getting those hairs on the 4th setting. So I pumped it up all the way to the top. I know that's such a big jump, but once I did that, it started sucking my hair in a lot better. So yeah, I guess I guess it isn't really a negative necessarily, but you just have to really test out and see which setting will work for you. But even then, when I was using 7, it just still wasn't getting my roots the way that I'm used to getting it with a regular blow dryer. But it's okay. It still got them pretty smooth. And it definitely got the length of my hair smooth, which was great. But yeah, another thing about the settings. So while there are settings on the generator, there are also heat settings on the wand. Now the heat settings on the wand, there's a low, a medium, and a high setting, and you just click it. The lowest is the cold or cool air. The middle is the medium to warm, and the top one is the highest heat setting. And because I have type 4 hair, I find myself having to use the highest heat setting because on cool or medium, it just wasn't getting my hair smooth enough. But even on the high, it wasn't too hot on my hair. But one more negative is that around the rim of the wand, it gets really hot on the high heat setting. When I was holding it to my scalp, it wasn't really burning me, but it was burning my ears when it touched my ears, or if I tried to hold my hand up too high, it was getting a little too hot for my hand to hold. But around the shaft, it wasn't too bad. But the shaft is kind of wide even for my big hands. So I find myself having to hold the bottom of the wand just to get a good grip. But yeah, if I didn't explain, this is the little place that sucks in the hair, and you kind of just put however big of a section you want. Smaller sections I learned to do smooth out a lot better, but you can fit in like a nice size section of hair if you want. Now I will say that again, my results were pretty smooth like right after I was done using the blow dryer, but since it does leave my hair a lot more moisturized than my regular blow dry routine, my hair kind of just poofed up a little bit more than usual when I use other blow dryers. Like 30 minutes, even maybe like 15 minutes afterwards, my hair was a lot less smooth than it usually is with other blow dryers, which isn't necessarily a problem because that means my hair still has a lot of moisture, and that means there's less damage. But if you're looking for like a salon style blow dry, which is like really smooth and really straight with just a blow dryer, I don't think this is the tool for you. This isn't, for me, this seems like it's just for if you want to like a nice quick blow dry and just stretch your hair out without, you know, using too much heat or too much manipulation, which is what I'm looking for, because that means that I can stretch my hair now without manipulating my hair too much and losing and breaking off hair, which is always a plus because I'm just trying to retain my length, guys. So yeah. Also, I guess I can give you guys a little bit of a length check. So my hair has grown a lot in the past couple of months because I haven't been doing a lot of wash and goes, guys, which I think has done a lot for my length retention. Because wash and goes just cause a lot of tangles and a lot of mess when it comes to wash day, and I usually lose a lot of hair once I do wash and goes. But I've just been doing a lot of braid outs and twist outs, and yeah, I just haven't been doing a lot of wash and goes, so I've been retaining a lot of length. So I guess I'll, you know, show you guys my length from the back. So yeah, this is my hair from the back without pulling on it. And I can put it down for you guys. So my hair reaches about right here on my back, which is like mid-back. I think my hair is about mid-back length, like bra strap length. I know I don't wear a bra, guys, but if I was a girl, this would be bra strap length. So yeah, I'll just call it mid-back length. I'm a boy, I don't want freaking bras. So yeah. My hair has grown so freaking much. In the front, I have a shorter section because I do wear my hair in like kind of like bangs. It kind of just grows that way naturally, but I got it cut a little bit so I can have bangs. But that part is about collarbone length. Not considering that it has to go past the length of my face. But it's about collarbone length in the front, and in the back, it's about mid-back length. So yeah, that's just a quick little length check for you guys. But yes, so that was my review of the Revair reverse hair blow drying system. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below what other kind of videos you guys want to see in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below what kind of videos you guys want to see me make in the future, and I'll go ahead and do that for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys liked my results. If you did, let me know if you're going to try the Revair yourself. I know it's very expensive, guys, but I personally think it's worth it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys will get notified whenever I post new videos and new content. But yeah, I'll go ahead and end this video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and always, more your curls. Bye, guys.